Ferrari in Japan in the 1990s, I'm actually staying in this roadside repair shop that's about to go bankrupt. The boss's toolboxes were scattered in the truck, parts and tools are scattered all over the floor. Repair him? I asked the boss, smiling bitterly and shaking my head. I don't even have the tools to fix it, but the next second his eyes suddenly lit up. But this car was my childhood dream. Brothers, grab your weapons. Let this 3000 GT roar again. His eyes now looked at the, but this is our childhood obsession. Just do it, brother. You have to lend a hand. Next, let's just break up with it. Don't miss any parts. Brother, you should also hurry up and get on the Aya's piston. The carbon deposits have turned into coal ball S10 yuan of wear and tear. Then we will give him a new look at how Kang Gang stepped down. Rod bearings and crankshaft bearings are worn out over a long period of time. Causes deep scratches on the surface, showy and fierce, basically in scrap state. This valve cover uses a knockoff engine that leaks oil and air. Let's both solve it once and for all this time. Engine dismantled. Just throw it in the ultrasonic to clean it, immediately start the core carbon steel decentralization, get on the machine tool, and start working. After measurement, this steel cylinder has been worn to nearly 6 gears. Start digging anus. Then, through the secondary fashion, strict recovery. The roundness of steel bars is less than or equal to 5. The last step is the recovery of the storm in the original oil tanker. The engine is all repaired. Can our gearbox drop? A large amount of rust and sludge was found in the gearbox. Contaminants can increase friction lining wear. Long-term sudden braking or brake overheating. Causes brake drum wear. Collateral impact. Noticeable slippage in second and fourth gears. Gearbox overhaul kit arrangement. Replace all clutch seals. Testing the airtight system. Liu Feng must also be replaced. Ensure it's done right the first time. Engine parts have arrived. Start assembly. All screws are tightened to standard torque. Mitsubishi, original hydraulic pressure. This valve cover is a bit eye-catching. Come and experience the magic moment. This effect is in place, right? Side cover re-customization. Do you think we will just make the front and rear axles like this? It's okay. I'm with you. I believe you will help me to give him a new legacy of life. 3 more years of patching. This time we've completely solved it. After the front and rear axles are separated, let's start our magic moment. Thoroughly remove rust, then spray the chassis with anti-rust diamond paint. Got 60 music. Then give the cabin and the bottom of the car a bubble bath. Wash off this nomadic look from the 90s.
You'll see, they'll be calling me, calling